Well, hello! Today I have taken this Honda CB600F for a ride. That means this episode is going to be on two wheels. This is what you can get in Spain for approximately 50 to 60 euros per day, depending on how long is the rental. And I think it is a lot more fun than taking a scooter or just a car for approximately the same daily rate.
So instead, for the same money, you can have a 600cc 95 horsepower bike that will do 0 to 100 in 3.5 seconds. Also, unlike a scooter or an economy car, it will make all the right noises. Before having this bike, I had rented a Yamaha FZS 600 and it had an Acropouch exhaust. This Honda has the original exhaust, but it still sounds pretty alright.
About the motorcycle itself, well, it has a couple of scratches. It has been dropped probably several times. The handlebars look new. Probably the original ones had to be replaced. The biggest issue with it, I think, is the brakes. So it has a squeaky, cracky sound, and it kind of snaps into certain positions, applying the braking force unevenly. I think it could be a problem, especially on the wet. You don't really want to block the front wheel.
The chain has some slack, so it feels a bit twitchy on the throttle, but overall it rides well. It also comes with a silly looking phone holder that wobbles in the wind.
And this one even has a box, which means it's not absolutely impractical. You can take two helmets or anything that you need to go on a one-day cruise. So we'll go on the mountain roads and see what they are like. There is a homepage called the Motorcycle Diaries, which
has a list of the most scenic and enjoyable twisty roads in Europe, the United States and some other countries. I picked a couple of routes around Barcelona, so I'll shut up now and let you enjoy some point of view footage with nothing but exhaust sound. And riding in Barcelona itself, the city is extraordinarily beautiful, the roads are perfect, the weather is suitable for motorcycle riding most of the year, thanks to dry and relatively warm weather, but it also comes with its own challenges. There are countless radars in the city, so I highly advise using a GPS with at least stationary radars marked. You also might notice many of the riders jumping the red light, but I don't advise following that example, as there are many cameras at the traffic lights. And the traffic in general is quite hectic, although the worst I've seen in Spain so far was Valencia. It is a nightmare of a city to drive in. And the latest inconvenience in Barcelona is the ZBE, Low Emission Zone. As of 1st of January 2020, practically all older cars and motorcycles are banned from entering Barcelona city during working days from 7 am to 8 pm. So this motorcycle isn't allowed in either. And even if you do have a vehicle that meets the emission standard, as a non-resident, you have to register your trip 1 day in advance. And the times per year you are allowed in the city is limited, which altogether makes using your personal vehicle very inconvenient. I did break the rule a couple of times though, but so far haven't gotten any fines. As the ZBE zone system is relatively new, I suppose they will improve their penalty application technology soon enough. So that's it for today, stay tuned, the next episode will be from the south of Spain, where I'll be taking a closer look at a very interesting sports car. Hasta el próximo episodio, ciao!